Yes, welcome everyone, welcome to Swahili Learning Ground channel, and my name is Bo. Today we're gonna learn about how to make comparisons in Swahili language. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Alright, one way of expressing that one thing is bigger, better, longer, more expensive than another is to use the word kuliko. Yeah, kuliko, it's a Swahili word which means, or which literally means than in English. For example, we have got here our example like kikapu chako ni kikubwa kuliko chake, which literally means in English, your basket is larger than ours. Kikapu chako ni kikubwa kuliko chake. Your basket is larger than hers. Another example we have got, mnazi ni mrefu kuliko mchungwa. The coconut palm is taller than the orange tree. Mnazi ni mrefu kuliko mchungwa. The coconut palm is taller than the orange tree.